In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a slide zoom for scientific data and diagram slides in PowerPoint. If you're working on a scientific presentation, slide zoom is a really useful feature because it lets you move from an overview slide into specific data or diagram slides in a smooth, interactive way. This can make your presentation feel more polished, and it also helps your audience stay oriented while you explain complex information. To begin, open your scientific PowerPoint presentation and go to your overview slide. This is the slide that gives your audience the big picture before you dive into individual graphs, results, figures, or diagrams. Starting from the overview slide is important because this is where your Zoom links will live, allowing you to jump into more detailed content during the presentation. Next, move to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. This is where PowerPoint groups together tools for adding visual and interactive elements to your slides. Once you're there, look for the Zoom option. Click on Zoom, and then choose Slide Zoom. This feature allows you to create clickable links to existing slides while also displaying them as visual thumbnails, which makes navigation much more intuitive. After selecting Slide Zoom, choose the specific scientific data slides or diagram slides you want to zoom into. Take a moment here to select only the slides that support your explanation most clearly. For example, you might choose a results slide with a key chart, a methodology diagram, or a close-up figure that needs more attention. The goal is to guide your audience through the most relevant details without overwhelming the overview slide. Once you've selected the slides you want, click Insert. PowerPoint will place thumbnail triggers directly onto your overview slide. These thumbnails act as clickable visual entry points to the detailed slides you selected. After they appear, position them carefully on the slide so they fit neatly with your layout. Try to place them in a way that feels organized and easy to follow, especially if your overview slide already includes labels, icons, or section headings. As a final tip, make sure the thumbnails are large enough to be seen clearly, but not so large that they clutter the slide. Clean placement will make your presentation look more professional and help your audience understand where each zoom will take them. And that's it. You now have a slide zoom setup that makes it easier to present scientific data and diagrams in a clear, interactive, and visually engaging way.